Shandong OPPAIR Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is located in Linyi City, Shandong Province, the logistics capital of China. It is a domestic AA-level enterprise with high-quality service and honesty. As one of the world's famous air compressor system suppliers, OPPAIR integrated sheet metal cutting and spraying, air compressor processing and sales, products cover fixed speed series, permanent magnet TO series, two-stage series, laser cutting 4-in-1E series, diesel mobile series, oil-free series, nitrogen generator series booster, air dryer, air tank and related accessories. OPPAIR adheres to the business philosophy of win-win cooperation and provides one-stop service for every customer. German standard, provided by OPPAIR. As a leading technology supplier in the industry, OPPAIR has been committed to cultivating talents and pursuing quality. We have a group of excellent aerodynamics foundation and have always been active in the field of mechanical application and R&D technology, which gives OPPAIR an unparalleled advantage in technology and product innovation and customization. Our compressor has obtained the National GC Level Energy Efficiency Certification and 15% higher than the airflow in the same industry. Some series can save up to 40% of energy. OPPAIR has CE, SGS certificates and exported to more than 100 countries including the United States, Canada, Australia, Spain, France, Germany, etc. and support color, logo, design OEM. OPPAIR's quality is deeply trusted by customers. OPPAIR is your most trusted partner.